Welcome to Christ College Riboy. Established in 2022 by the Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa, we offer a 4-year undergraduate program in subjects like economics, education, English, geography, history, khasi, political science, and sociology. Boost your learning with VAC, SEC, MDC, and AEC courses, or gain practical skills through vocational training in tailoring, embroidery, and mushroom cultivation. At Christ College, learning is joyful, holistic, and life-shaping. Admissions open now. Visit our website or contact the college office to know more. Christ College, where dreams take flight. Kumshi banta ban rakhe yaka World No Tobacco Day ban Ïalap chiki padba yaka Jingma jongka Jingdih Duma ne bam Duma ka Alpha English High Secondary School nongpo menta kasingi khat san tarik jamang kala pendong daka jingyat padba ka bala sedang na Skul Alpha Shasor nongpo bat penkut hapalau jongka Skul na ka banta ban Ïalap halor ka jingkta jong ka Jingdih Duma ne bam Duma haswa ban pendong yaka jingyat padba Khubor penyat Skul kila pendong shwa yaka program ajing hikai chiki Khynnah Skul halor ka Jingma jongka Jingdih Duma bala ajing kran daki nang hikai bat ki Khynnah Skul bat hadin kata kila beteng daka bayat padba bandra yaki plakat ki bana bat rangkat ki jingtho ki ba persha bat pensngo chiki padba ba uduma ude uwe na ujingdi basneu ka bakta yaka koit ka khya nagalang ki Khynnah Skul habayat padba haga surok ba handong po kila pertasla lengba ki jingtho ba pher bat khamtam ka kantin ba ngimdei bandi ne bam Duma na ba kani ka kata shisha yaka koit ka khya jong ubreu hagi banta ba pher jong kamen haba ajing kran hagani ka sngi ka kong WK bala principal jong ka Skul kalong bagi bor penyat ka Skul kila penlong yaka ni ka jingyat padba bat kalong ban Ïalap persha halor ka Jingma jong ka jingkta uduma bat kum ki bor penyat Skul kila pensngu thu shiki Khynnah Skul bat kum juru shiki padba ki balong ru shi banta ka jingrakhe yaka World No Tobacco Day kalakran ru ba ka Jingdih Duma ne bam Duma ka kata shisha yaka koit ka khya jong ki breu bat dei namar kani ka daw kum ka Skul ka Ïalap persha ya uduma bat daga ba kenturu iki Khynnah bakim dei ban kata ya uduma ni ki we ki Jingdih ki basneu namar kani ka kata ya ki amtang ha ka koit ka khya bat kum juru ha ki liang baro.
And cultural norms can also influence in tobacco use,
which stimulates the brain and lead to dependency, and tar which collects in the lungs and cancer and cause respiratory disease, and
or not young.
Day. Alright, this is a very important awareness that we can create, and we from the school level. Look the side, that is why this is very important. Why? Because this has become a serious health issue. Using tobacco has become a serious health issue. And that is what creating awareness at the school level for you to know the bad effects and for you to understand that you should not start or form the habit of smoking, chewing tobacco at the early stage will help you develop a good health and will help you keep away from this bad habit that will cause addiction and serious health problems in the future. India, for that matter, we have, it's almost a cultural use of tobacco. And in the state of Meghalaya, we have a large number of cancer cases because or as a result of tobacco chewing. And that is why we are here making you students of Alpha School number 1 to understand the bad effects and the bad effects of tobacco and how not to get habituated to having it. We have, we have our parents who used to smoke and chew kaini and kutka and shikar and all of that. And some of you are following the habits, but please, maybe they have not learned. But for you, you have learned. And we are creating that awareness now, so that you boys and girls can learn not to get habituated or not to start touching tobacco at all, and also to pass on this message of not using tobacco, because it is a serious health issue. It will be a health problem. All of us, God created us a beautiful, wonderful.